Scabies is a contagious skin condition caused by tiny mites, Sarcoptes scabii, that burrow into the skin, leading to itching, rash, and discomfort. The condition spreads through close physical contact or shared personal items. Cause of scabies is caused by a mite infestation. These mites are transmitted primarily through prolonged skin-to-skin contact, such as hugging or sharing clothes or bedding. Once on the skin, the mites burrow and lay eggs, triggering an allergic reaction that leads to intense itching. Symptoms: the primary symptom of scabies is itching, especially during the night. Additional signs include rash, red bumps or blisters that appear on the skin. Burrows, thin, grayish lines seen on the skin, where mites tunnel. Excoriations, skin breaks caused by scratching, which can lead to infection. Treatment: scabies can be treated with medicated creams, most commonly with permethrin cream, applied to the skin to eradicate the mites. Ivermectin, an oral medication suitable for severe cases. Both treatments are effective in eliminating the mites and alleviating symptoms. It is crucial to treat close contacts as well. Prevention measures to prevent the spread of scabies include avoiding close contact with infected individuals. Washing clothing and bedding in hot water. Vacuuming carpets and furniture to remove any mites. Conclusion: although scabies can be uncomfortable, it is treatable with medication. Early diagnosis and adhering to proper hygiene practices can prevent its spread and offer relief.